I also picked up this beautiful Simplex radio from 1932. It's a model PB. It's an old farm set, and I think I've got just a couple farm radios in my collection. But I tell you, it's very, very unique. I love the design. I'm not sure of the rarity of the set. It does need some TLC. There's some chips and dings, and some of the veneer is loose or missing. So I look forward to, again, I'll add this one to the list, and in a future video I'll publish the restoration on this, or that would be my plans.
Hey guys, thanks for joining me. I went and grabbed another receiver out of storage, and you can see this is a beautiful little small cathedral made by Simplex. I'll zoom in here or share a photo. I think Simplex, two locations, I believe, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, then another in Sandusky, Ohio. You can see we've got 4 controls, maybe one original knob. That'd be cool. I could use that to reproduce some new, or just look to find a matching set of knobs if we get to that point in the restoration. You can see the cabinet, pretty cool looking design. I think it will clean up pretty well after some repair. Definitely some water damage that's occurred at some point in time during its life. I picked this thing up about 9 years ago, and it was my understanding it came out of the Charleston, South Carolina area. And it kind of makes sense. I've put this thing in storage, but spinning around here, you can look, you can see all the surface rust on the chassis itself. It's just covered, so it kind of makes sense. It's probably been in some ocean mist, sea mist, and who knows what else. There's all kinds of, looks like dead creatures living inside here. Hopefully they're all dead. But I just wanted to share the receiver with you guys. If you have more information on it, again, based on the label that you can see here that I'm sharing from the bottom, this appears to be the PF model for the Simplex, which is the dual band, and you can see it is battery operated. So we'll see what we get into. I'll pull the tubes out in the next video, and we'll take note of those, and then we'll just hand draw a schematic along the way if we can't find a matching schematic for this receiver back from the early 1930s. So again, thank you guys for joining, following along. We'll probably get started on this in the next week or so. Just a little slow work on this one, maybe through the winter months, in addition to another radio that I've got lined up as well. Thanks again for watching. Everyone out there, take care and stay well.